Hello sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ang reading natin ngayon is, ano ang mga mensahe ni universe para sa inyo? So, this is collective reading. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-relate. Kung hindi man, baka ang reading na ito ay hindi para sa inyo. Huwag lang pong bitter kung hindi man kayo nakaka-relate. And huwag nyo lang panuorin din kung hindi kayo masaya sa reading na ito. No? Wala naman tayong sapilitan. So, if ever na it happen na nakita nyo itong video ito, meaning, ito ay dapat mong panuorin. May mensahe sa universe para sa'yo. So, alamin natin kung ano ang current energy ng aking minamahal na viewers. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, kamusta ang aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers? So guys, wala po akong ginagamit na microphone ngayon. Pakipalakasan or palakasin nyo na lang yung video or yung volume ng video ito. Whenever you watch this video, palakasin nyo na lang yung volume. Baka mahina. Baka hindi nyo masyadong maintindihan yung mga sinasabi ko dito. O marinig. You know? Our Spirit Guide Angels, tell me more about our viewers. Okay. Someone is trying to heal. Someone is trying to heal from disconnection, or it could be a third party situation. Siguro lately narinig mo yung may third party, or you might be getting. So again, this is about the universe, right? So the universe, meron ditong, the universe wants you to move on. Whatever it is, kung nasaktan ka, the universe wants you to heal. Gusto ng universe na maghilom ang mga sakit na nararamdaman mo, kapatid. Napaka-direct ng mensahe ito, ano? This is your current energy. Siguro lately parang panay tulog ka. Siguro lately parang gusto mong feeling gusto mong mag-travel, or feeling gusto mong magpakalayo-layo. It's because the universe is guiding you. Gine-guide ka ng universe na maghilom itong nararamdaman mo. Na makapag-relax ka. Kasi kailangan ng katawan mo. Pagod na yung katawang lupa mo, kapatid. So, pay attention sa iyong katawan. Pakinggan mo nararamdaman ng katawan mo, kapatid. Because the universe wants you to heal. The universe wants you to... Ito ay gine-guide ka ng universe. You are very blessed na ikaw ay gine-guide ng mga spirit animals mo, spirit guides. Gusto nila na makapaghilom yung... naghihilom na yung wound mo, yung sugat na nararamdaman mo. Whatever it is, siguro lately na-injured ka. Kung kayo ay na-injured, guys, you need to stay home. Magpakatatag ka, palakasin mo yung katawan mo. Yeah. Kailangan mo mag-relax. Mag-relax ka, matulog ka kung kailangan mo matulog. It's okay. Kung lately panay tulog mo, yung mga nararamdaman mo na pagod na pagod yung katawan mo, you need to heal your body. The universe wants you to heal your body, your emotions. Yeah. You are being guided. Siguro lately gusto mo makapag-adventure, gusto mong kumawala, I'm hearing like kumawala. Siguro gusto mong umuwi ng bahay or makauwi. Yes, it's coming. Darating iyon. Siguro meron ditong intuition na umalis ka na, or umalis na tayo. Meron ganito, or mag-move on ka na. So pay attention to your intuition, because your intuition is guiding you to your through your right path, sa tamang daan. Yeah. Maybe you are getting this excited na makakauwi na rin ako, malapit na akong uuwi. Yeah. So again, if you guys are getting this feeling na makakauwi ka na, or malapit na yung darating na yung panahon na makakauwi ka na, you need to save up money, kasi meron ditong, we say, if you nasa abroad ka, currently abroad, or nasa malayo lang, siguro may distance na talaga, no? If it happen na makakauwi ka na, o malapit ka na makakauwi, meron kasi dito na hindi pa nakapag-save ng money. So this is the right time na mag-ipon ka ng pera. Lalong-lalo na't malapit ka nang makauwi. Kasi meron ditong tulog ng tulog. Okay? Iba-iba yung sitwasyon, ano? Meron ditong tulog ng tulog. Yung parang yung diwa mo. Siguro, it's time to wake up. The energy here is time to wake up. Gisingin mo na yung lakas ng loob mo. Palakasin mo yung loob mo, magtrabaho ka ng maayos, gawin mo yung tamang dapat gawin. mag-ipon ka, magtrabaho ka ng maayos, hindi na uso yung tulog ng tulog. If over, kasi mixed yung energy eh. Meron itong tulog ng tulog na alam mo naman na in the future, may paggagastuhan ka. So, saan ka kukuha ng panggastos kung wala ka namang ginagawa? So, the universe is trying to wake you up. Okay, it's time. Tama na yung pagre-relax. You have enough. It's time to move forward. We are guiding you. It's time to get another opportunity. Because in the future, in the nearest future, you need this money. You need to save up money. You need to start moving. Yan, napaka-deep message. This is your current energy and this is also a message from the universe, guys, na they are waking you up. Na mag-move na. It's time to start doing some movement. Yeah. They are activating your intuition. Kasi meron ditong natutulog lang eh. Hindi not paying attention sa iyong nararamdaman. Not paying attention from the universe message. Yung parang may bumubulong sa isipan mo. Bakit parang feeling ko parang I'm kind of like I need to move to another job. Siguro it's time to move to different location or relocation. Meron dito kasi parang mas umiiral yung katamaran, no? Yeah. So meron din dito na currently energy, maybe lately nasaktan ka or siguro you overwork. Pagka na overwork ka, the universe is trying to tell you na you need to heal. Mag-relax ka. Okay lang yan, mag-relax, panandalian lang naman. Yes, you are saving your money. Meron kasing wala naman akong naipong pera. Kahit anong trabaho ko, puro ako trabaho, pero walang napupunta. Hindi ko alam kung saan napupunta yung pera ko. But again, dahil sa napaka-busy mong buhay, trabaho ka ng trabaho, you need to heal, kapatid. Yeah. Heal your body. Kailangan talaga mag-relax ka din. Hindi yung na-over-relax ha, yung wala ka nang ginagawa sa buhay. Kailangan talaga may day off ka. Pagka may day off ka, matulog ka muna. Your body needs more new energy. Yeah. The universe, see, you're being guided. Gina-guide ka ng universe. Yeah. Na mag-relax ka. Yeah. Magpapakatatag ka. They're guiding you to the right path. Kung kailangan mo ng bagong trabaho, yes, the universe is sending you to a new job, relocating. Meron ditong relocation. This is more about like for your future, your finances, pamilya. Yeah. Siguro sa ngayon, nahihirapan ka may suportahan yung pamilya mo, nahihirapan kang tumulong. It's because you are in a tight budget, parang yung pera mo, hindi mo feel. Parang yung stress mo, yung iba dito, stress ako, itutulog ko na lang to kasi wala naman akong magawa. Wala akong maibigay na tulong. And the universe is like, sige, matulog ka muna. Ipagpahinga mo muna yung isip mo. Kasi meron itong na-overthink sa stress sa finances, sa tulong sa pamilya. Yeah. Siguro na-stress ka rin na, you might be currently na-stress ka dahil uuwi ka na, malapit ka nang uuwi, at wala ka pang naipon. Okay, matulog ka muna. And then, one day, when you wake up, magkakaroon ka na ng energy. Energy na magiging active yung katawan mo. Okay, a new opportunity. The universe is helping you for a new opportunity. So again, continue on praying and manifestation. Manalangin kayo, i-relax niyo yung mindset ninyo. Yan. Huwag kayo basta-bastang sumuko, and the universe is right there with you. Siguro mayroon ditong iba sa inyo dito na maraming spirit animals, spirit guides guiding you. Again, hindi ka nag-iisa, kapatid. The universe is helping you. They're guiding you into the right path. Kung gusto nila na maging masaya ka. Yeah. So, mag-ipon, lakasan ang iyong loob. Kung kailangan mo mag-transfer ng ibang trabaho, lakasan mo ang iyong loob and follow your dreams. Dream high. Yeah. Mag-ambisyon ka ng mataas, kapatid. Kasi meron itong feeling na stagnant. Parang na-stuck yung finances mo, na-stuck yung ano mo, yung talent. Again, it's time to wake up your talent. Kung anong kaya mong gawin. Meron ditong natutulog lang yung talento mo, hindi mo ginagamit sa tamang paraan. So, meron itong awaking you to move forward. Yeah. Meron itong, maybe you're still trying to heal from the past relationship, and the universe wants you to move on. Siguro hanggang ngayon, you are still holding on from that person. Siguro iniisip mo pa rin yung person nung nakaraan. Na nasaktan ka, na may third party, na may iba siya, or whatever it is na third party. Kasi minsan third party related sa trabaho, sa person, or sa relatives. And you want to heal whatever nasaktan ka, you are still healing. So again, the universe is telling you here, move forward. Ibaling mo sarili mo sa iba. Yeah. Sa trabaho, sa finances, this could be related sa pag-aaral, na parang napapagod ka na, and maybe soon, you are thinking, or maybe if you are a student, you can't wait for this, na makapag-relax ka na. Na parang, I can't wait na mag-end na itong school. Or, pag once na matapos na itong school na ito, makakapag-relax na rin ako. Kasi you guys, I'm getting like, sa school, you are so beat up. Pagod na yung katawan mo, yung isipan mo. Meron itong nasasaktan ka na rin. Meron itong na-offend, nasaktan sa puso. And again, you need to heal. Maybe you have been waiting. Hinihintay mo siguro itong makapag-relax ka. And soon, it's happening. Yeah. And siguro yung iba sa inyo dito, you are planning to get a new job, transfer, or another opportunity. Again, I'm also getting like soon you will be getting a message that there will be an opportunity. You will be receiving an opportunity. It's because the universe wants your life to move forward. Pagbabago, changes. Wow, very beautiful message. Ito yung dapat mong malaman, kapatid. Yeah. You deserve better. A new career, a new life, a new love story, another chapter of life, another chapter of your awakening. Meron itong awakening here. It's time to wake up, mga kapatid. Yeah. Kasi meron ditong, you are losing your faith. Nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa. When it comes to your finances, opportunity, parang, hindi naman yata ako makakahanap ng bagong opportunity. Wala siguro tatanggap sa akin ng trabaho. I don't think it's gonna happen. Guys, you need to stop thinking negativity. Especially pagdating sa pera, sa pamilya, opportunity. Whatever it is, you need to stop the overthinking, overanalyzing. Study hard. Pag-aralan mo mabuti kung saan ka magaling. Mag-aral ka mabuti sa pag-aaral mo. Because one day, it will be ending. Itong pag-aaral. Pag once na natapos yung pag-aaral, your life is gonna be easily moving forward. You are being guided into the right path, kapatid. And again, huwag mawalan ng pag-asa na na walang magbubukas na opportunity sa iyo, na walang tatanggap sa iyo. Na walang perang darating sa iyo. No. The universe is guiding you. Again, it's time to wake up. Gisingin mo ang iyong sarili kung saan ka magaling. Kung saan ka magaling, gamitin mo yun. Kasi meron ditong, you are not using your knowledge, you are not using your talent. Hindi mo ginagamit yung katalinuhan mo, yung pagiging magaling mo. Yeah. So, what else, Spirit Angels? Alamin na natin yung, again, kung hindi kayo nakaka-relate sa energy ito, baka hindi ito para sa iyo, kapatid, ha? Alright, so, message na tayo ng universe. Ano ang dapat mong malaman at this moment? Meron itong nalulungkot eh. Parang pinafocus nyo yung sarili nyo sa kalungkutan. Again, the universe wants you to stop thinking negativity. Yung mga lungkot, sakit, they want you to move forward. Mag-isip kayo ng mga bagay na saan kayo makapag-move forward. Yeah. And follow your follow your instinct, your intuition. It's because the universe is like they're whispering. Yeah. They're whispering their help, their guidance for you, kapatid. Ano pa, Spirit Angels? Anong mensahe para sa kanila? Anong gusto na malaman? Okay. Knight of Pentacles. What else? Meron ditong you'll be receiving a news when it comes to your finances. It takes time. Siguro matagal itong hinintay mong pera. Siguro ito yung pinoproblema mong finances. It's coming. Yeah. When that at the right time. Meron ditong kailangan maging balanse ka when it comes to your finances, ha. More on finances dito, kapatid. Merong darating ditong finances tulong. This is a help from the universe. So the universe is helping you. Meron ditong darating, meron ditong surprise. I'm hearing like a surprise a person. Yes, there's a surprise person. So dalawang mensahe na kukuha ko nito. A person na may pera, it's gonna be a surprise. This person could be this could be a lover. Itong taong ito may pera. And this person is coming. Mamimit mo itong taong ito, or this person is going to talk to you an instant. At the right time. Pagka na-align na yung oras from the universe, yung ano nila. Yeah, when the wheel is turning into your favor, you will be receiving this abundance. This news, this surprise, whatever it is, money, person, travel. So soon, huwag mawalan ng tiwala sa sarili. Yeah. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa because the universe is sending you guidance. Yeah. Ito ay dapat mong malaman, kapatid. So cheer up. Huwag na yung mga kasi meron dito more on nawalan ng pag-asa. Yeah. So cheer up ka na universe. Darating din ang para sa'yo. When it comes to a person, pag ikaw itong nalulungkot kasi wala kang person or waiting for this person is coming, whatever it is, itong hinihintay mo, there will be a surprise at the right time. Money, help, when it comes to your finances, magiging balanse ang iyong finances. Sa travel, yeah. You'll be traveling soon, kapatid. I'm hearing like 12 days, 7 weeks. 7 weeks from now, or 7, I'm hearing like 7, whatever 7 it is, 7 and 12. I'm hearing 7 and 12. So this is general reading, hindi po ito private reading. Kunin niyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-relate, ha? O nakaka-resonate. Yeah. And someone is going to talk to you. So there will be an offer. There's like a maybe an offer of business. This could be a business related or job related. This is about finances. Someone is going to talk to you, or someone is going to you will be moving forward. Siguro you will be meron itong job opportunity. Yeah. You will be talking to someone, an offer. Someone is going to offer you finances. And this will help you and your finances na magiging balance ito finally. It's gonna be a surprise from the universe. Yeah. So, continue on working hard, kapatid. Kasi the more na nakikita ng universe na naging tapat ka, naging focus ka sa trabaho, naging hardworking ka, yan. Pag nakikita ng universe na ganun ang ginagawa mo, mas maraming darating sa'yo. Mga surprise na darating sa'yo. Because the universe, para ditong you deserve it. You deserve their surprise. Yeah. Meron dito magbubukas na pinto. It could be love life. It's a surprise. Iba-ibang surprise love life, money. Yeah. Opportunity, whatever opportunity na hinihiling mo, na hinihintay mo. Meron ito kasing, parang overreact. Kailan ba darating itong person ko? Kailan ba ako matatanggap? Parang ganon. Yeah. Puro healing. Marami kang kahilingan na opportunity para galing sa universe. And again, there will be an opportunity, siguro 5 sa hiniling mo or pinapangarap mo, whatever it is, na ibibigay ng universe para sa'yo at the right time. 12, 7 weeks on the 7th day of the month, or 7 days from now, 7 weeks from now, on the 12. Okay? So, whatever opportunity na hinihiling mo kay universe, ito ay darating. It's gonna be a surprise. So, the universe will make this decision at the right time. Hayaan natin si universe ang magdidesisyon para sa iyo, kapatid, at the right time, kung kailan deserve para sa iyo. So, gusto ni universe, gumalaw-galaw ka, pakinggan mo sarili mo, mag-relax ka kung kailangan mo mag-relax, mag-move on ka para sa ikakabuti ng iyong buhay. Yeah. Mag-relocate ka o mag-apply ka ng panibagong trabaho kung hindi ka masaya. And you need to heal from the past. And I think you still need to heal. Yeah, focus ka sa sarili mo, love yourself. Ano pa? Alright, Spirit Angels, kailan darating itong surprise for our collective viewers here? Surprise, kailan darating? We have here 6. Oh my God, 666. Siguro this is an angel number. Wow. Okay, 636 or 663. So, research nyo to, guys, sa angel number 636. There's an important message for you here na dapat mong malaman. So, whenever you watch this video, siguro may important message universe sa iyo dito sa 363 or 636. So, research nyo yan sa Google. Angel number. Baka may importanteng mensahe sa universe para sa iyo. Definitely, may importanteng message na dapat mo malaman dito, kapatid. So, what else? Ano ang dapat malaman when it comes to their health, Spirit Guide Angels, ng ating mga viewers? Message for our viewers here. Meron tayong dalawa. Your thoughts are vibrations that attracts positive or negative energy. So, yeah. So, guys, kontrolin nyo yung mga iniisip ninyo. Kasi the more na nag-isip kayo ng mga negative or negatibong bagay, yun din ang darating sa'yo. So, pagka nakontrol mo sarili mo na puro positive, okay, na magaling ako, maraming perang darating sa akin, magbabayad lahat ng mga utang sa akin, ganyan-ganyan, or makapagbakasyon ako, and then it's gonna happen. Yeah. So, use an affirmation that I am being loved. I am beautiful inside out. I am my husband, my boyfriend loves me. Yung ganon, yung mga positive vibes lang, or pagka nasa-set mo yung palaisipan mong puro positive, and then yan din ang balik sa'yo. Kasi kung puro negative lang ang mga iniisip mo, yan ang nag-a-attract sa'yo. So, parang nagiging may blockages sa mga manifestation mo. Yeah. So, again, mag-isip ng mga positibong bagay. Okay? So, kailangan klaruhin mo, i-clear mo yung mga negative vibes. Yung maligo ka sa dagat para ma-clear yung mga negative. Kasi guys, minsan salt water or siguro dagat, okay? Pagka puro toxic na yung energy mo or toxic na yung pag-iisip mo o parang puro kamalasan, try to go maligo ka sa beach or sa dagat, okay? Para mas cleansing. Yan kasi yung pagka naliligo ako ng dagat, guys. Okay, share ko lang ha. Again, it really helps me a lot. It clears my energy, my thoughts, my vibration. Yeah, I feel like yung feeling alive ako pagka naliligo ako ng dagat. So, baka sa inyo, kailangan nyo rin ito. So, kung ikaw ay malapit sa dagat, din maligo kayo ng dagat. Or, sa asin, maggamit ka ng asin, pahid mo sa kamay mo, and then rinse it off. And then do some affirmation, positive affirmation. Okay na, tanggalin yung mga negative vibes, mga curse, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, kung ano man yung mga inisip nyo na takot na takot kayo o nakakapagod. Yes, pahiran nyo lang, magpahid kayo ng asin, gamitin nyo yung asin. Yung asin kasi, it really help to clear the bad energy or heavy energy. So, or do some meditation. Meditation also help you na maging, to attract positive vibes. Yeah. Apples don't compare themselves to oranges. Stars don't compete with other stars. They know that there's room for all the shines in this ever-expanding universe. So embrace your differences. So again, you guys need to stop thinking about yung comparing. So, tigilan nyo na yung pagkukumpara nyo sa sarili nyo sa ibang tao. Yeah. Kasi iba-iba tayo. Iba-iba yung personality natin, iba-iba yung looks natin, and we have to embrace who we really are. Yeah. Tanggapin nyo kung anong binigyan ni universe para sa iyo. And love it. Yeah. Maging masaya kayo, maging ano kayo, be thankful kung anong binigay sa iyo ni universe. As long as you are still alive, and your family is still happy for you, happy with them together. Basta masaya kayong pamilya mo, nakakain kayo 24 hours, still be blessed and thankful. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Again, stop comparing yourself. Yung sinasabi mo na, buti pa siya nakagraduate na, buti pa siya, malaki yung grades niya, buti pa siya, ang ganda-ganda niya, ang talino-talino niya, ang yaman-yaman. No. We have our own journey. May kanya-kanya tayong daang tinatahak. And you are being guided by the universe. Ginaguide ka ng universe. Ginaguide ka niya sa tamang paraan, sa tamang daan. At huwag mawala ng pag-asa kasi you guys are stuck. Parang focus kayo sa mga negatibong bagay, ano? Heavy energy, yung mga lungkot. Yeah. Again, pasayahin niyo sarili niyo. Mag-focus kayo sa mga bagay na kung saan kayo nagiging masaya. Instead of mag-focus kayo sa mga bagay na siya magpapalungkot sa iyo. So, it's time to wake up, kapatid. Gumising ka. Yeah. Wake up your intuition. Gisingin mo yung intuition mo. Or follow your intuition. Kasi meron itong, you are not listening your intuition. Your intuition is trying to guide you. Yeah. Para mag-elevate yung buhay mo. Siguro, you might be a traveler here. Yeah. And I'm also getting like soon you will be traveling. Yeah, if you are manifesting this travel, if you are scared, if ever na ikaw itong takot na mag-travel, huwag ka naman matakot, kapatid. You are being guided. Manalangin ka. Manalangin ka na ikaw ay magabayan ni universe, kung saan ka man mapupunta or magta-travel, kung anong trabaho ito, manalangin palagi. And the universe will send you protection. Yeah. They know there's room for all the shines in this ever-expanding universe. So, embrace your differences. So, kailangan talaga tanggapin mo kung yung mga kaibahan, ano, celebrate your quirks and kinks. Yes, kung ano man yung na-achieve mo, kahit kunting bagay, i-celebrate mo yan. Deserve mo yan, kapatid, at deserve mo maging masaya. Okay? Okay, so final message for you from your spirit animals, because I know you guys have a spirit animals. Final message, spirit guide angels, for us, my beloved kapatid, star viewers. Final message. Kunin natin ito. Okay. Kayori, revealer of truth, don't take things too seriously. So yes, siguro yung iba sa inyo, ang dali yung na-offend, no? Kahit konting kimbot lang, nasasaktan na kayo. This could be related sa relationship, sa katrabaho, sa kaibigan. Okay, so yes, don't take it seriously, guys. Make time to play. So the universe wants you to enjoy life. Huwag masyadong seryoso. Great wisdom comes from laughing at your own folly. Look out for the traps and tricks of life and learn from them. So, yes, pay attention sa mga traps, sa mga pagsubok. This is just part of your journey and learn from it. Kung ano man yung mga nalampasan ninyo, yes, be grateful dahil kayo ay nalampasan yung mga pagsubok, yung mga kahirapan. And again, if you are still feeling na naghihirap pa rin naman ako, again, the universe wants you to keep moving. Gumawa ka ng paraan. They're there to guide you. Kung gusto mo ng panibagong relationship, panibagong trabaho, finances, business, they are guiding you. Kung saan ka man nagkamali, apply that as a lesson to learn. So dapat may dapat kang matutunan dito. And stop overthinking, or kailangan tigilin mo na yung na-stop ka or na-trap ka sa sitwasyong iyon dahil na-scam ka, dahil nasaktan ka ng taong ito. No. You need to stop. Kasi kung na-stuck ka pa dyan sa sitwasyong iyan, kapatid, then hindi ka talaga makapag-move on. Yung buhay mo andyan pa rin. Stranded pa rin. So again, the universe is guiding you na to move forward at mag-isip ng panibagong paraan. And enjoy. Make fun with friends. At kung ikaw man ay na-open ng kaibigan mo, that's alright. Ganun talaga. Walang perpekto sa mundong ito kung kaibigan, kaibigan. Yes. Yeah. So you need to learn your lesson. Cat, independent. You guys are very independent. You are a natural healer. Your intuition is strong. So you guys, you are healing. Your intuition is getting more stronger. You don't have to go with a crowd. Life supports you in every way. So again, hindi mo kailangan makipag-party-party sa maraming tao or hindi mo kailangan makipagsalamuha sa lahat ng tao. And you know it. Kasi meron ditong, I'd rather to sleep. Mas pipiliin kong magpag-isa, mas pipiliin kong matulog. Again, yes, you are intuitive. You are following your gut feeling. Sinusundan mo naman yung pakiramdam mo na hindi mo kailangan makipagsalamuha sa mga taong ito, makipag-party. Again, the universe is like, kailangan mo rin naman na makipagsalamuha sa ibang tao. Kahit minsan lang. Hindi naman palagi yan, ano? So, yes, you are following your intuition. You are a healer. You are a shaman. Yes. And again, it's not healthy for you na being alone. Yes, you choose to be alone, but again, if you want to be happy, if you want to be stay connected with your people, kung gusto mo maging konektado sa mga tao iyon, yes, continue on making friends, continue on spending time with your family members, parents, friends, kasi kailangan din natin no? Para naman, kasi meron ditong energy na you are very independent. 'Di ba? And you don't want any help from the others. And parang tuloy, nag-iisa ka lang, so sinasarili mo yung problema mo, and you are stuck. And people doesn't know around you, your feeling, your emotions, like pamilya mo, kapatid, husband, spouse, or karelasyon mo, katrabaho, hindi nila alam yung nararamdaman mo, and deep down, parang stress ka. And again, feel free to reach out with the others. Malay mo, matulungan ka nila. Of course, they will help you. The universe will send you a guidance. Okay? Protection. Yeah, ginaguide ka ng universe with these people. Like sinasabi natin na kaya mo naman ang sarili mo. Yes, kaya mo sarili mo. But of course, hindi naman healthy kung sinasarili mo lang lahat. Ano? It's okay to open up. Yes, you are following your intuition. But of course, trust the person that who you can trust with. Follow your intuition. Your intuition knows who you can trust with. And then you can open up with that person. Yeah. Okay? Because I think the universe is giving you support, kapatid, and guidance. And again, may darating na opportunity. It could be in 6 days, 7 days, or 7, 3, 6. Kayo lang nakakaalam. You might be at age of 36, 63. Or you might be born 1963 or 1966. Or maybe 36 days from now, may darating, or you'll be meeting a new friend, new opportunity. Again, kayo lang nakakaalam kung ano itong minamanifest ninyong opportunity. It's coming at the right time. Yeah. Yung iba dito, there will be 5 opportunity na darating sa iyo. It will happen at the right time. So, wag lang ng atat. And gumawa kayo ng paraan kung saan kayo maging masaya. Yeah. It's time to wake up. Okay, gisingin nyo ang inyong intuition or ang inyong, anong tawag doon, yung talento ninyo. Kasi meron ditong, natutulog yung talent mo, hindi mo ginagamit sa tamang paraan. Parang mas ginagamit mo yung katamaran kaysa sa pagiging, pagtatrabaho or sa negosyo, na sana magamit mo ito sa negosyong ito. And follow your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you. Yeah. So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nakaresonate kayo sa reading na ito. I love you guys at mag-ingat kayo pala.